In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Lloyds debit credit card or debit card. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, head on over to Google, and now in the Google search box, type in Lloyds activate your credit card and then hit enter. And then from here, if I spell correctly, so that's it there. So these Google search results will appear. So you got activate your credit card from lloydsbank.com. So click into that page, and then you'll come to lloydsbank.com and it will say activate your credit card. So you can do this online. You can activate your credit card quickly and securely in our app. The main cardholder must activate any additional cards. They can do this online, and once your card is activated, you can use it straight away. So scroll down here, and then it says here steps to take will guide you through it. So what you can do is click on this box where it says activate your credit card. We'll take you to another page here. Looks like it's glitched out. Just refresh. All right, here we go here. So activate and set up your credit card now. So in just a few easy steps, you can activate your credit card and register for internet banking. So please complete the details below and click activate. So if you have a main and additional card in your account, activating the main card will automatically activate the additional card. So please enter the main card holder's number and date of birth in the box below, not that of the additional card holder. If you don't want to activate both, please call us on this phone number. We recommend you call us if you haven't received the additional card in the post yet. So what you want to do is put in your credit card number here, put your date of birth, expiry date, and then click on activate, and then that will go ahead and activate your Lloyds debit card.